What's going on, YouTube? Tom here. Good old Tacoma. Liable as all hell, but yes, even it gives you problems. So we've all had those car problems that just, I like to call them part-time car problems. And on top of that, they conveniently don't happen when anyone else is in the vehicle, including a mechanic. Wait for the car to drive by. So anyway, my truck has now decided, at least, well, it has for the last like year or so, this intermittent problem where it idles funny. So apparently it's actually common among vehicles in general. Your vehicle has what's called an air idle control valve inside the motor, where it allows air to bypass the throttle body for idle. Well, it gets clogged or whatever, and then your vehicle idles funny. Either idles high, idles low, or in my case, kind of fluctuates on idle. Goes from about 400 RPM up to about 1,000, kind of bounces around, shakes the whole truck acts like it's going to stall, it generally annoys you. So, anyway, after searching, trying to find this problem, people are like, oh my god, you've got a K&N air intake, it's a horrible unit, make sure your MAF sensor is in the correct way. So, most reliable advice I found was like, yeah, either clean your throttle body out or seafoam your engine. And I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of crap for actually doing it, but I'm gonna go ahead and seafoam this truck, because that valve gets clogged and just annoys the living crap out of you when the problem just will not be consistent. It's been getting more and more frequent. Those of you at home, what that means is you get all kinds of carbon and other harmful stuff inside the engine over time that you plain and simple don't want in there. So, what you do, you can put it in your fuel, which don't necessarily recommend for this problem, but if you need to clean your injectors, but this problem, you gotta, I guess you all can see that vacuum line here that I'm thinking we're going to use. Thinking there's the one here.
Oh, this is what we're looking at.
Yeah, that's the throttle body.
No, that ain't it.
According to the interwebs, yeah, that's your throttle body right here. But you got, according to the interwebs, that there's the valve in there that deals with idling. Yeah, that's the vacuum line. It doesn't go directly to the throttle body, but
the closest one you got. This won't come off. Oh god, it's still hot.
Yeah, it's still hot. Why, you think we need to take this off to do this, or?
Well, that you got access directly there.
Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to clean the throttle body off.
Well, that's what you want to do with it. You just want to try this first?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Let's try this first. I think you want to do that the other way, but... Well, I would have thought it would have been the other way around, but...
Are we ready?
So when you're spraying in seafoam into a vehicle, you want to go ahead and hold the RPMs around 2,000 or so. Especially if you're doing a fuel system job. More gas? Try 2,500 this time. one, really hope this works, because don't want to have to deal with the dealership. I'll take it in tomorrow for an oil change. And the less reasons I can give the dealer to be under the hood of my truck, the better. We all know how that goes. Oh, there's that smell. See, when you use seafoam, you get that infamous sort of smell to it. Yeah, I'm starting to smell it now. But I don't know, people swear up and down by this. I've been asking online and everyone's like, oh, no, you got an air intake and this, that, and the other, and here's your reasoning. Did you put your MAF sensor in correctly? Right, yeah, that's going to be the problem. Okay, let's see how this thing handles idle. Yeah, it's idling right around 900. It's also in park, so it tends to idle a little higher at park. I can smell it. So reliable iron block 4-cylinder. Yeah, the other annoyance with this is everyone else who had this problem had like 200,000 miles on their trucks. So that's another thing that annoys me about it is 36,500. I shouldn't have this problem.
Turn it off. 2 seconds.
Yeah, some people said the air filter's dirty, but I'm thinking it's not really that dirty. K&N even puts out on their website that like one just like this, hey, this is fine, and they show one that's completely black. I said, now that's what an actual dirty K&N filter looks like.
Okay, start it up. Don't give it any gas or anything. Start it up.
Alright. $1,500, $1,100, yeah, and around 900. So yeah, that's 900, and it settles right around 700. Yeah, it does that when you first started.
Then come back down.
Yeah, that way it gets everything up to temperature. If you started on cold, it will keep right around 1,500 until everything gets warmed up, and then it falls slightly. That's normal. I hope.
Alright, turn it off again.
Dash cam's getting plenty of video of the hood up. Yeah, I think at this point,
You just gotta wait and see now.
hopefully it just won't do it again. Fingers crossed on that. Yeah, guess I get to drive this truck and just see if it does it. Just gotta love these intermittent vehicle problems that only happen under certain conditions. Well, if y'all have had this problem, especially Tacoma owners, but in general, if y'all know what causes that, where the fluctuating idle and you have a for sure fix doesn't involve getting taken for a ride at the dealership, let me know in the comments section below. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Hopefully not everything is fixing car problems. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.